Yo, it's the gNarly Futuristic Thoughts Show, episode number 006. And you know who this is? This is Gato. Roboto. Gato Roboto, June 13th. 2022. We're having the 13 days gone here in 2022. How's everybody doing? Another day of the crypto sphere, another day of learning, another day of checking the markets. But first, just a little housekeeping. I'm my own producer, so gotta do a couple things here before we start. We'll start in a minute. Send out a couple links. And I want to remind everybody, this is for entertainment purposes only. It's cool to learn and, study and educate yourself with crypto. But again, it's no joke. So whatever I say, don't do. It's just for entertainment purposes only. I'm just having fun on the mic here, just hitting record and just chatting, just having fun. And I'm not a pro. Not trying to sell anything, and I'm not trying to shill anybody on any type of coin. I do just want to show my excitement for, the crypto world. I'm excited. It's the future. This is new technology you don't really want to mess around with if you don't understand, because I don't understand everything. But I'm learning each day, little by little, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, just learning little by little each day. Let me pull up the chat here. And this show is mostly, it's new, so not too many people know about this show. But basically what I see in the future is just, the chat room blowing up and just us hanging out and looking at coins and just, going through the crypto news each day. And just trying to filter out, all the FUD and what's real and what's not, and just, make our own conclusions, and by doing our own research. That's what it's all about, doing our own research. So I just tweeted out the link, and we're about to begin here, just in about 30 seconds. The crypto market's down 2%, still above 2 trillion. So that's good. Just like to get silly on the mic, I had a song here that I was gonna kind of hum a little bit, but I'll save it for tomorrow. I already forgot. I kind of want to just start off with a little song, act a little crazy on the mic, kind of loosen things up, but as soon as I hit record, I forgot about the song. So I'll do it tomorrow. A new song each day, just mess around. Just little tune. Let's see here. Right now on the West Coast, it's earlier than usual, 10:20 a.m. But we're live. And hopefully the internet looks good. No drop frame so far. Usually I start off with the bookmarks, but today let's just start off with the market. Let's see what's going on with the market. Again, it's down 2%. Bitcoin is down 2% also. So exactly, if you only have 10 minutes to do research each day, take a look at what Bitcoin's doing. Because whatever Bitcoin does, that's usually how the market follows. So you see here, Bitcoin's down 2.04%, and the whole crypto market's down 1.99%. You can find some gems when the market is down, and then you see what's trending. Like Terra Luna is up almost 2%. So that is, you always want to keep an eye out for that. Again, there's going to be bear markets, there's going to be bull markets. And if you go through plenty of these cycles, then you'll get a good idea of, when to invest and what to invest in and what not. But always make sure you're doing your own research. And by the time anyone tells you they have insight, it's probably too late. I think there's a tweet I bookmarked, which is true. If somebody's giving you inside info, it's probably already too late for that. So the best thing is for everybody to do their own research and just follow your own intuition and stuff like that. Let's see here. Bitcoin, Ethereum's down 2.5%. Let's take a look at Bitcoin real quick. We haven't been doing that much, looking at the charts. But here's the 1-day chart for Bitcoin. You can see pretty much for the last 24 hours, it was trading sideways around 43K, 43K, 43K. And early in the morning, about maybe 4 hours ago, it went above 44K. And the last 4 hours, it's been tanking, which is, it went from 44K down to close to 43K. So it's been trading sideways. It's been going up and down. But again, our motto here is when in doubt, zoom out. The last 7 days here, you can see that, we all know that 2022 didn't start off the way 2021 did in the crypto market. The complete opposite. Everything was down. You can see here the trend for Bitcoin. But lately, it's been going up. It dropped under 40K and then went up to above 44K this morning, but it's back down to 43K. So let's take a look here. So we gotta have support here now. I think the support line right now will probably be around 43K. So that's kind of where we're at right now. So where is Bitcoin gonna go? Is it gonna go up? Is it gonna go down? It's probably gonna trade sideways. It's gonna be in this range here for the next week or so, anywhere between 40 and 46K. Now, if it drops under 40K, a couple of things can happen. There could be more corporations coming in and buying up the Bitcoin, or there could be, more FUD and people selling, and then it goes from under 40K all the way down to 30K. So you got to be smart. You got to know when to jump in. Again, pretty much simple. You got to my motto again is always just buying the dip and just hodling. I'm not a day trader, so I'm not looking for, specific, what do you call, supporting lines, where like if it hits this threshold, I'm making a move. I'm not a day trader. So, but I do I do like to see when is a good time to buy Bitcoin. It's usually during the dips. people were buying Bitcoin at 65K just a month and a half ago. And right now, it's at 43K. So you gotta take advantage of some of these opportunities, if you can, of course. If you have the funds, it could be $5, $10, $20. But yeah, you wanna dip. You wanna, like they say, buy the dip. And I know this gets repetitive every day, but it's true. You gotta be smart, because there are a lot of whales, a lot of sharks out there, a lot of mean, evil corporations trying to take advantage of people and spread FUD. But right now, Bitcoin 43K, Ethereum just hanging around above 3,000. Right now it's at almost close to 3,300, 3.3K. We can take a look at Ethereum. Let's take a look at some charts. Again, the way Bitcoin goes, that's most of the market's gonna go. So Ethereum also is trading sideways, pretty much the last day. But you can see here again, like Bitcoin around, I don't know what happened around 6 o'clock, but the market at 6 a.m. this morning here on the Pacific time, West Coast, dropped. Same time Bitcoin drops, you see everything else drops. But this looks like a big drop because we're only looking at the 1-day chart. But if you zoom out, you can see here just a little bit of a drop after a bounce back after we dropped under 3,000 for Ethereum on the 10th. So Ethereum did drop under 3,000 just for a moment and then went back up. So it's been trading around this price for the last couple of days. Let's take a look at some bookmarks and we'll come back to the market. Usually the bookmarks help kind of set the tone a little bit. So Puma, the shoe company, is planning on partnering with Web3 companies and launch its own Web3 projects. So everybody's making moves, even Puma. I always hear DApp, which is a decentralized app. I have a couple apps. I just don't like to get jiggy with it, getting too many apps and stuff. But in this world here, crypto, you may just have to download all the apps, different types of wallets, different types of dApps. So what does DApp, decentralized apps, explain? This article explains what it means. It's basically a digital app found on your smartphone, laptop, blockchain technology, just like, cryptocurrency, decentralized, getting jiggy with it. Woohoo! So if you know more insights about dApps, these are all terminologies I hear every day. dApps, DeFi. I even asked what GameFi is. There's all these terminologies. So, I'm no expert. So what I think this is, just what it says here, decentralized app with blockchain technology. They can provide, social network games, entertainment, productivity, designed to help, DeFi. Ethereum has been the most dominant host for dApps so far. And also DAOs can be seen kind of like a dApp, decentralized autonomous organizations. And that's what everybody's moving to, is the DAOs, decentralized autonomous organizations, where it's not just like one CEO, not just one person, but as a group, a community, autonomous, decentralized. These are all words, definitions that I have to study, I have to get familiar with, because it's all around. You hear dApps, you hear DeFi, all around. So you want to make sure that, well, I do. I want to make sure that I'm on top of my game and know what I'm talking about. Some dude, Reggie, has been given the patent to DeFi. Who's Reggie? People are mad. DeFi? I guess you can just, okay, give it to Reggie. Give the patent to Reggie Bush. Just come up with a new name. I don't know what, Reggie's only doing it because he wants to get paid, which is what everybody does, especially back in the day when you used to get a .com and used to sell it off. So you got the patent to DeFi, which is smart. Oh, great. My bookmarks are not coming up anymore. It's whack. Oh, here we go. So yeah, take a look at that article from CoinDesk. Explains dApp, decentralized apps, way better than I can explain it. Maybe kind of do a little bit of research. I know I am. %55% of Swiss banks intend to offer Bitcoin to their customers within the next 3 years. So, like the Michael Scott meme, Giphy, it's happening. %68% of private banks will offer Bitcoin. This is just not Swiss. This is all of the banks. 68% of private banks will offer offer Bitcoin within the next 3 years. Demand is through the roof for Bitcoin. Here's a good tweet. Banks don't like crypto. Taxis don't like Uber. Hotels don't like Airbnb. Bookstores don't like Amazon. Cinemas don't like Netflix. 9-to-5s don't like remote work. Innovation is not always liked. Good tweet there. And I try to bookmark, the most inspirational tweets, or I'm not going to bookmark any negative tweet. I'm not here to promote any negativity. It's all about community and just trying to look at the positive side of things. Here's another tweet here. Imagine being on the sideline and seeing the crypto market gaining 1,000%, but you're playing it safe in the stock market instead. You have a lousy 5 invested in DeFi and 95% of cash, and still beat people with 100% in stock. So the biggest generation wealth transfer in history is happening right now. A lot of people, the young people, I'm not saying that I'm young, I'm 40. But, even the young people, teenagers are into crypto and all this. And, it's not going to be stocks anymore. It's going to be crypto. So this is a true tweet here. You really don't have to pay anybody for any type of information. There are a lot of scams out there for some courses, there's a lot of scams out there just to follow people and receive information which they got from someone else. So make sure that you don't get scammed. You don't FUD. No FUD. Make sure you don't get a scam. And I mean, this is it's shady out there. People always trying to scam people. I don't know why, but that's just the way it is. So make sure you do your own research, your own information. It's about you, myself, everybody learning, staying educated. Here's another good tweet. It's either you win or you learn. You only lose if you don't learn. So only 4.5% of the entire global population is invested into cryptocurrency. If you go on Twitter, if you go on social media, it feels like everybody is invested in some type of cryptocurrency or has some type of project. But in reality, only 4.5% of the entire globe is invested in some type of crypto. So we're still in the early stages. Oh, here's a tweet I came across. This guy in the message boards. This was a message board from January 10th, 2011. So that was almost 11 years ago. And apparently he lost 50 Bitcoins, and his response was, never mind. So 50 Bitcoins is worth 2.14 million today. I think everybody's heard this story before, but I believe when, Bitcoin first started, somebody paid for their pizza with Bitcoin. I'm sure you can find that. Let's look it up here. Paid pizza with Bitcoin. So this was early on when Bitcoin wasn't that much. Here it is. So this guy, he didn't know. Long time ago, this guy paid for a pair of Papa John's pizzas using 10,000 Bitcoins. 10,000. How much would that be right now? Let's see. I'm going to use CoinGecko actually. So this guy paid for 2 Papa John pizzas, 10,000 Bitcoins. I don't think that's right. I don't think this calculation here is right. But you get the idea, Well, let's just do the math actually. Here's my calculator. 10,000 Bitcoin times 42,981.14. Holy. Those 2 Papa John's pizzas cost them $429 million. So that's when Bitcoin started. And maybe just think about that, like with some of these with some of these new coins, some of these new projects, maybe like a SafeMoon, or maybe like Shiba. Well, I don't think Shiba's a good example because of the market cap and the amount of coins that are out there. But you know what I'm saying? Like if you're in on a project early, then maybe it's a good thing to hodl and not just spend it on pizza. Well, back then maybe he didn't have cash and that's all he had. And but yeah, 10,000 bitcoins for 2 pizza. I just can't wrap my head around that. Oh, we call it Bitcoin Pizza Day, celebrated every year. Do you know which day that is? Well, anyways, this guy, so he lost 50 bitcoins, and back then, that was nothing. So he didn't really care about it. But even if you buy a bag of, like, say, Safe Moon for like $5, be smart, and because you got to think long term, like 2025, 2030, everything's going to go through the roof. Why is play to earn interesting? It's because people will no longer play your game if there's no incentive. It's going to be huge. And yeah, I've been playing play to earn for the last 3-4 years with like baseball, basketball. You got to play these, you got to grind. You got to grind to get these rewards sometimes. And that's going to be the future. Nobody's just going to put a game in play for Nathan, for Joe Nathan, It's going to be play to earn in the future, and that's going to be awesome. Everybody's seen May 22nd? Okay. I'll write down in my calendar, Pizza Day, Bitcoin Pizza Day, May 22nd. Awesome. Write that in my calendar. We're almost 4 months away. Everybody's seen the Black Mirror episode where the dude is riding his bike, play to earn, trying to earn the crypto. I may watch that pretty soon again. But that's how it's going to be, play to earn. Nobody's going to be interested if it's not play to earn. Oh yeah, this came out a couple days ago about photos and videos becoming the next type of NFTs. It's so difficult, news is coming out each day. It's so hard to keep up. Again, that's why I always find yourself in a group of circle that you trust, that you can discuss things. But here's the next thing. Photos and videos, they're going to be turning into NFTs. I don't know too much about it, but it's a great opportunity for photographers, influencers. There's gonna the minting's gonna be cheap, $10. So take a look at Savage. Why don't we take a look at Savage? Let's see here. Savage. Ready, Macho Man Savage. Ooh, yeah, brother. Snap into a Slim Jim. Savage NFT. 21 Savage NFT photo. So this is the website. Oh no, this is not the website. Let's see if they have their website on Twitter. So this is the website. Savage is the world's first carbon neutral marketplace for videos and photos in the metaverse, Web3, and beyond. I'm gonna go ahead and probably bookmark this. For the future and read up on this. Yeah, let's see. Oh, the Black Mirror episode. Let's see. Black Mirror episode. Riding bike for crypto is play to earn. Is this it? Black Mirror episode? Let's see. Yeah, I think this is it. Black Mirror episode. It's called 15 Million Merits. And basically, it's so crazy how they predict some of this stuff. So I just remember him riding the bicycle, play to earn so he can earn his coins. And you can see here a picture, kind of like the metaverse type stuff. So take a look at that episode. Here's more pictures, photo gallery. We'll take a look. I don't want to get ding and play videos and stuff, but it's really happening. See here, they are in the bike. They're in the bicycle here. And that's how they gain energy. And, kind of like play to earn. That's how they gain their crypto and stuff. And so it's really crazy. I'm going to have to watch this again. Yeah, 15 million merits. Okay, so we're talking about Savage. That's going to be a great opportunity for photographers and, and a lot of people. $10 minting. Make sure you take a look at Savage. Okay, I only got 13 minutes. I got to hop off at here at 11, around, 10:58 a.m. Right now it's 10:48 a.m. Another 10 minutes here. Gasoline, real gas, the gasolina, the Pitbull gasolina is up 49.6% over the last year. That's insane. Gasoline, gas. It's expensive. Imagine if you had to drive 30 miles to work each day for like 5 years, 10, 20 years. That it all adds up. And gas is up almost 50% over the last year. When I was growing up, this is how old I am. I got my license when I was 16. This was like the late 90s. I seriously remember gas being like 96 cents, 99 cents. You helped the dude at work a few weeks ago doing what? So gasoline is up almost 50% the last 12 months. So, there's going to be FUD everywhere. It's going to be FUD everywhere. Everybody was saying ignore Bitcoin price. So far in 2022, the Strike app launches in Argentina. The Cash app integrates Bitcoin Lightning. Bill Miller, I'm not sure who he is, maybe some important person, has 50% of his net worth in Bitcoin. While it was crashing, Binance buys over 43,000 Bitcoins. And so forth. So everyone's gonna spread that FUD. Make sure you do your own research. This is a good tweet here. And I truly believe this. Surround yourself with people who are better than you, know more than you, and are smarter than you. Why wouldn't you want to surround yourself with people that are smarter than you? It only helps you elevate your game. The more advanced you get in your career, the more you realize that everyone is just trying to figure it out as they go. And, it's hard because you just got to do it sometimes. And sometimes you have like a blindfold over you and you can't see things. But sometimes things become clear. And almost everyone's trying to figure it out. Almost everybody's trying to figure it out. Make sure you invest in yourself. That's always a good one. Solana could become the Visa of the digital asset ecosystem, per BOA. B.O.A. I don't even like saying that name. I'm not gonna say the actual name, but from per BOA. And I feel they're crooks, that big corporation there, that banks, all banks. And now they're saying that Solana could become the Visa of the digital asset ecosystem, per BOA. The future is digital. I like this little Giphy here. When you buy the crypto dip and the market start pumping, it's some dude dancing. It's pretty funny. Yeah, that's it. BOA. I don't like saying that name. Freaking BOA. That's what they think. That Solana's gonna be the Visa in the future. This guy says that it's insane some people will spend $43K on a new car. But, you know, they scoff at the idea of owning one whole Bitcoin. They get mad. You know, they'll buy a car for $43K, but they'll get mad at somebody for owning one full Bitcoin. It's going to be a lot of haters. So this is a number that's pretty big. I thought it would be a lot less, but about 46 million Americans, roughly 22% of the adult population, own some sort of Bitcoin. And that's just in the US, but around the world, you know, it's only 2%. So most people that own Bitcoin are from the US, but it's all about community and worldwide adaptation. This is a nice Giphy of the dollar going up and down, up and down. It's a bomb and it's going down. It's on the way down. It's a bomb. It explodes. And then it's a train, Bitcoin in a train, and it's going up. There's always a revolution happening. Time to buy more Solana? I think so. Right now, you know, Solana early in 2022 was around $145 and it dropped under 140. Last I checked, it was 150, so it's up. The thing is that really gets me kind of upset is, you know, if I would have invested in Solana a year ago, Solana was $3. You know, that's why you got to invest in these companies early. Solana, can you believe it, was $3 a year ago. Right now is $150. $3, $150. Is it time to get more Solana? Yeah, it's always time to get more Solana, but it's at $150. It doesn't sound as nice as if you would have bought Solana last year. You could have bought for $150 divided by 3. Let's see. I'm not good at math early in the morning. So if you would have bought $150 worth of Solana last year, you would have got 50 Solana. Right now, with $150, you can only get 1. And if you would have had those 50 Solana, then that 150 would have turned into $7,500. So people always gonna hate on crypto, but do your research, find the smart people, get in, you know, find the projects and get in early, and then hopefully, you know, the trend continues and people can make some cash. Okay, got 2 more minutes here. I really gotta hop off. I have to hop off, but 2 more minutes. Looks like the Ethereum burn rate is at 11.62%. Not sure where this guy got the info, but if they're burning 11 Ethereum per minute, then that's good. You know, we want I want to see the max supply go down because it will only increase the value of Ethereum. So Shiba Inu pumped 16% yesterday with rumors that it's going to be listed on Robinhood. The rumors I heard is that, Robinhood is trying to create their own wallet, so they're waiting for their own crypto wallet to then release Shiba, but against all news and speculation. Cardano rose 7% yesterday after some news resolving some issues. And Mike Tyson says he's all in on Solana. That's a quote from Iron Mike Tyson. He's all in on Solana. Mike Iron Tyson. There's a Pakistan central bank seeking to ban crypto. And you know what happens? Take a look at this picture. There was an Italian bank that was going to ban crypto. And what they did was somebody laid out a wreath right in front of their store there, Unicredit. RIP to them, because, they won't be able to stop crypto. And I wanted to look at the top 10 altcoins over the last 24 hours, but don't have time. They're Doge, Sheeb, Rose. That's something haven't really looked into. AnySwap, Floki, One, Phantom, Solana, Dusk, and Veracity. I might save this tweet for tomorrow. We'll take a look at some of these coins. And Tonga, the nation of Tonga, could adopt Bitcoin as legal tender in 2022 using legislation that is almost identical to El Salvador. Visa, 24% of small businesses plan to accept Bitcoin in 2022. And a Shiba whale just bought 48.9 billion tokens worth 1.9 million on Shiba. So follow the money. This is real interesting. I always compare crypto and Bitcoin to the internet because I saw the internet early on in the 90s when I was growing up. So Bitcoin right now, 130 million users. Internet in 1997, 130 million users. So that's a nice little comparison there. U.S. national debt is 29 trillion. Debt per citizen is 89K. And India is set to launch its first Bitcoin. Not going to get into politics here. Delete the next bookmark. And 1 out of 4 businesses will accept Bitcoin in 2022 per Visa. So that's it for today. Thank you, everybody, for tuning in. I'll be back tomorrow, Friday. Hope everybody has a great Thursday. Peace.